Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of a vacuum. I know I'm becoming a vacuum guru. I've got like 5 vacuums. This is a Dirt Devil Royal, or a Royal Dirt Devil, not sure which. But they also make a handhold model. Of course, this is an upright. This is a model SD20505, made in China. It's 120 volt, has a powerful 10 amp motor, and there's no roller brush for carpets. It's specifically made for hard floors. So I like to use this to vacuum the kitchen floor because it's linoleum, and I like to vacuum it before I scrub it so that I don't have a whole lot of rice and breadcrumbs and stuff showing up on my my rag when I'm scrubbing the floors. It's pretty light at 6 pounds. It's pretty easy to carry around. What I don't like is the switch is far from the handle. It's down here. And, well, my daughter gave me this because she replaced it. Even though it's not made for carpets, I do use it on carpets for spot cleanups. Like if I do a spill where I would need the dust buster, I prefer to use this on the carpet. It's a lot more powerful. The dustbin is more positive. On dust buster, it's not powerful. The charge and the batteries don't last long, and whatever you pick up seems to fall right out. So yeah, that's the specs. This cord holder swings out of the way to unleash the entire cord. When I got it, the grommet here was missing and the handle kept falling off, and I tried putting a sheet metal screw in there and that worked its way out. So I drilled a hole all the way through the tube and I put a screw and nut on to hold it. You got to be careful if you're going to do this. The tubing is thin and it's easy to collapse this. If that happens, you might want to cut a wood plug to go inside of here to hold the force of the pressure, or use a steel tube or something to keep that from collapsing. I like how convenient the dustbin comes out. You just pull that latch and lift it out, and then you clean it, or you empty the bin by pushing this lever. That opens up. There's some dust in there. I don't want to get it all over the place. And this top half just pulls right out. And this is the HEPA filter. Doesn't seem to collect much dust. I've used it for a couple months now, and it seems to be pretty clean. That's what the inside looks like. It goes back on pretty easily. This tab latches down there into that. Overall, the machine has a good power for picking up pretty much anything. This is what the suction nozzle looks like. It's pretty simple. As I said, no roller, but it does have this sweeper here, and it's got these little 2 rollers to keep it up off the floor, and 2 rollers here to move it around. Overall, I love it. It's a new addition to my vacuum cleaning fleet, and that's all I have for you. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.